Okay, this is still on the outboard ferry journey to Tsuneishi. This is part of the Seto inland sea, like those 7 islands, and from here to Imbari. And you can see that those many islands act as natural wave barriers, so it's almost like a big lake with many islands. It's the sea, but it looks like a lake because there are no waves. I mean, there's no wind right now, but I imagine that even with wind, waves are a lot lower here than in the normal sea. So it's quite a nice view. There's another bridge. It's quite a nice view, and I believe that's Mukaishi, and then the next island of those 7 is that one over there, I think. So there should be a bridge around the corner. I'm not exactly sure where Tsuneishi is, but that's where the ferry goes, and that's where I go, and that's where I get off, and I need to wait about an hour and a half, and then there will be the ferry right back to Onomichi. I guess the ferry is going there, and then they have their break, and then they take up their work again 1.5 hours later, because the ferry ride is more or less roughly an hour to Tsuneishi, and then the ride back. So I started off at 2:30, so I will be there at 3:30, and then the ferry back is at 5. So there's 1.5 hours roughly. Maybe the ferry goes somewhere else in between. There's a jet ski or a boat doing stupid things right there. Lonely house on a beach, has electricity, a little beach, and nothing else. Not sure whether it has a road to get to or whether they get there by boat. Yep, looks as if there was some more rain to come. Hopefully not when I'm walking around. Can't be on the boat. So that's Mukaishi over there. You see lots of open sea. And then you have a small island there, you've got bridges, and you've got a port right there. It might be Fukuyama. That's where I came through, basically. Port of Fukuyama, Tsuneishi, maybe. We'll see. Okay, see you later.